Before we start doing any tumbling, we need to first prep, deprime and resize. Now that's what it looks like before we get going. Add your brass to the plastic container provided. Then your 1 liter of lukewarm water only. Your tumbling meter also provided. 2 teaspoons of sunlight dishwashing liquid, followed by an exact 2 grams of cream of tartar. Close and place on the tumbler. Tumble for 20 minutes only.
20 minutes later.
And the results are pretty outstanding. From that dirty, filthy brass to this. Included with your SS Tumbler is the media separator and the stainless steel media itself, everything you need to get going. The tumbler is powered by an industrial looking motor, and the base is made from folded sheet metal, which altogether makes for a very sturdy construction. Also included is a 10-liter tumbling drum. There are 4 sets of bearings which the drum sits upon, which provides for a very smooth operation. For those that are interested, a screenshot of the motor specifications are appearing next. Follow them by the instructions which should be followed like gospel. Followed by a close-up with all that I have of the pulleys in the band that connect the motor to the drum. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with the SS Tumbler and will be using it for many years to come. One unforeseen positive side effect is that hand priming is a lot easier with clean palm pockets. The SS Tumbler is available from various outlets and from its very own Facebook page, links below. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this information useful.